In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search data using Firebase Realtime database. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly locate keys or values right inside the Firebase console, which is perfect for spot checking data, debugging, or confirming a write from your app. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and signing into the project you want to inspect. Once you're in the project dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click Build. This is where Google groups the tools you'll use to manage and observe your backend services. From there, choose Real-Time Database. If your project has multiple databases or instances, make sure the correct one is selected so the data you expect to see actually appears. Next, switch to the Data tab. This view shows your database as a JSON-like tree with expandable nodes for each path. Give the page a moment to load. For large data sets, Firebase will load what's visible and fetch more as you expand nodes. If you don't immediately see the branch you care about, expand folders until the relevant keys or values appear. Now for the quick search. Press Ctrl plus F on Windows or Linux, or Command plus F on Mac OS. This opens your browser's find box. Type what you want to search for. This can be a key name, a portion of a value, an ID, or any text snippet. The browser will highlight the first match in the visible data. Press Enter or use the little up and down arrows in the find box to jump through all matches on the page. A few tips make this smoother. The Find tool only searches what's currently rendered. If a node is collapsed, its contents won't be scanned yet. Expand branches you suspect contain the data so the text becomes visible and searchable. If your dataset is very large, scroll to load more siblings or open deeper levels before repeating your search. Keep in mind that the browser search is literal. It won't normalize case or spacing beyond what your browser supports, so try exact fragments when possible. If you still can't find what you expect, double-check you're in the correct project and database, and confirm your real-time database rules allow you to read that path in the console. Also remember that this console search is for quick manual lookups. For in-app searching across large data, use real-time database queries like ordering by a child and filtering in your code. That's it. Open the console, head to Build, Real-Time Database, the Data tab, use the browser's find, and type your target. Simple, fast, and incredibly handy for day-to-day debugging.